Hi guys, it's Tori. Today I'm joined yet again with my beautiful, beautiful, beautiful boyfriend, Robby.
That's me, I'm the beautiful one. But not as beautiful as you.
Today, Robby is going to be attempting to do my makeup. He is a beauty guru. You guys may not know this, but he has his own beauty channel that he runs.
Robby Epic Makeup.
So today I'm going to, trust them, be careful this is open, with all of my makeup. Woo! I believe in you, Robby. You can do it. No, no, no.
What?
No.
This is an everyday look that I go for. So we're gonna start off with some foundation. Squirt some of that sweet, sweet, oh God, it looks like shit. So one here, one here, one here, one here, one here, one here, one here. Poke, 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 poke. Well, you don't have a dabby thing. Okay, so I'm gonna blend it in. Oh God, how do you not have a fucking butt plug? The butt plugs work so much better. Oh God, I think I might have used too much on you.
Yeah, this does kind of run a little bit thick. But you can test.
You're very white.
I'm very white now.
Okay, now we have to wait for it to dry, otherwise it'll crack. Am I doing this right? Mallow liner. I feel like,
Nano liner?
Nano liner.
Nano?
Oh, tiny liner. Oh, you have tape? Oh, I know what this is for.
I want to see you try to do nice eyeliner without it.
Now I've wasted 2 pieces of tape. It goes on my face then, okay?
Okay, great.
I'm not very good at... Oh, God. She laughed and I missed it. I fucked up.
I don't think you're from me laughing, Robby.
I am good at eyeliner.
It's at least winged. Oh, this is gonna be good.
Stop, you're moving!
See if you could get them even.
It's a work in progress.
Oh my God.
Do for your eyebrows.
I don't think I have anything in there for my eyebrows. I normally don't do them.
Oh, found it. There you go. Just comb those. Now let me see the other one. Yes, comb it just like that. This one has a skull on it. Is this a thing? I'm guessing this is contour. Go. Oh, it smells like chocolate. There you go. Okay, now look over to.
What?
I can't see your face.
Why'd you start all the way with my mouth?
Let me see. I can't. Okay.
Oh, honey, no. I'm gonna look like the Joker now, Rob.
Want to know how I got these fucking scars?
My boyfriend did my makeup.
I think it's blending nicely.
I mean, from afar, it doesn't look too bad, but once you actually like get close and actually look at my face, you're like, oh no.
Back, is this highlight? It smells like highlight. Can I just use a real highlighter?
No.
Like that? Like really accentuate your rosiness. Okay, now turn your face.
Why is this brush wet?
I have no idea.
You wanna do any eyeshadows?
Okay, is this the thing?
No. Okay, so what look are we going?
Okay, maybe like a nice green to match your eyes. Is it on the top or the bottom?
Top.
Wait, was I supposed to do the eyeliner after?
After, but that's fine.
There you go. Yeah. You know what?
Why do you always bring it up so high?
That's good. That's fine. She's looking pretty good. Oh, I should have done pink on the other side. You know what? I changed my mind.
Is it turning out any pink?
It's turned pretty red.
Oh, we're going for the eyebrow technique.
There you go.
Yay! Thank you, Robby.
Okay, might as well make the other side even. You're looking pretty good. You're looking like Harley Quinn, you are. And then what else could we do with this face?
You have lipsticks you could do.
Oh, you have lipstick?
Yep.
Is this a lipstick?
No. I believe this is the one step you could really fucking do, so you could do it.
Okay. Stop, open your mouth.
No, you're going
Open your mouth.
You're going to inject it into my mouth.
Open your mouth. Oh God, that's so hot. Okay, let me see your mouth. Okay, now go. I'm sure that's kind of correct. I think I'm done. I did it, Tori Dobransky. I made you beautiful.
You did, you made me.
Look how beautiful she is. She's gorgeous and she's so pretty. Sweet and cute.
I want to see if I could get it onto you. It's making your lips ever so like shiny.
Why don't you do your makeup like this more often?
Because Robby, I would get weird looks.
Tori, you already get weird looks. You're with me all the time.
Very true, very true. That is it for this video, guys. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up and comment down below. How do you think he did? Did he do a good job? Go over and subscribe to my boyfriend.
Oh, that's me.
And I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye.
Goodbye.